What did you guys discover, huh? You know what's amazing though? That board is not rotted. I mean, that tree is pretty old. Quiet. Let me get a picture. Alright. Quiet, Oakley. Stop right now. We got a northern water snake right here. Now, I wish I had my hook. He's really in that hole. Oh, they're feisty. He tried to bite me a bunch. Me and Wild Man here. Only 2 snakes spotted today, but it's better than 0.
But I wanted to catch one.
Me too.
Didn't.
I didn't? I had that snake for a while, and you just were over there watching me.
Yeah, but you didn't catch it.
I didn't catch it. I did in a way, but it like tried to bite me 6 times, and I was
like afraid of that?
I wasn't afraid. I just dodged it. Huh? I dodged it. I didn't get bit.
Daddy, when I got that rat snake and it bit me on the neck, I didn't actually feel anything.
Okay. Oh, does anybody need to take a seat? Man, look how high, Mallory.
God! Like we're in the mountains.
Okay, we're not taking. You want to take? Do like them, Oakley, right here. Right here. No, just shimmy down. Over this way.
Grab my hand. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay, do my hand. Yeah.
There you go. Teamwork.
Daddy, you think I'm doing it? Guys, you gotta watch out right there.
Yeah, don't fall in that spot. You want to hold my hand for that spot? I'm right here.
Hey, wait, look, I'm doing it.
Hold on. All right, I don't want you going across. No, do not go across this high spot. Nobody's allowed to do the walking across that. That is a drop right there.
Oh, people can die down there.
Mm-hmm. That's a big drop.